This is why you need a cryptocurrency wallet. Whether you're a newbie or just curious, we've got the scoop for you. Cryptocurrency is revolutionizing finance, and with the market now worth over $2 trillion, there's no better time to get involved. But first things first, you need a wallet to keep your digital treasures safe. Think of a crypto wallet like a real wallet. Just as you wouldn't leave cash lying around, you shouldn't leave your digital coins unprotected. There are different types of wallets. Hardware wallets, which are like a safe at home. Mobile wallets, like carrying cash in your phone. Hardware wallets are super secure but can be pricey. Mobile wallets are convenient, but might be less safe if your phone isn't secure. We'll help you figure out what's best for you. And hey, don't forget safety. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and pick a trusted wallet provider. Ready to start? Hit play and let's secure your digital future together. And remember, like and subscribe for more cool crypto content. Visit ckbtino.com for in-depth guides. Let's make crypto easy and fun.